DIY pom-pom and bead Tasbeeh. You will need pom-poms, beads, string, scissors, and small beads. What I did is I cut my string 50 inches so that I have extra at the end to tie it together. And you'll need 33 big beads and 3 small ones. So now that I'm done putting all the beads, I put the 2 strings together, and then now I am just making a knot. So when I tied it, I made the strings uneven by mistake. So I cut it, and now I'm just putting the 2 strings into one bead. So what I did was I put the 2 strings together and put the bead through. Then I separated the 2 strings and then put the other 2 beads onto the 1 string. So what I did is I took one side of the string, wrapped it around the pom-pom, and then tied it together. Now that I put my 2 pom-poms onto my tasbeeh, I take the 2 strings and knot them together. Then when you're done tying the 2 strings together, you cut off the ends. But I didn't have any extra ends, so now I'm done. Visit handmadebeginnings.com for more fun ideas, crafts, and free printables. Assalamu alaikum.